Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nur Arisha Nabila and I am one of the group member for this presentation. Together with my group members, Muhammad Aiman Azrai, Muhammad Afizuddin and Muhammad Nur Hisham, we are presenting our assignment of the accounting recording process of sole trading business, which is the Milk Coffee. The Milk Coffee is a local beverage business location at Hill Park, Puncak Alam, Selangor. Before this, the Milk Coffee operation at Puteri Central Park in Bandar Tasik Puteri. It is managed by its owner as a sole trading business. The business offers a variety of coffee and non-coffee beverage to meet customer demand. Based on our finding, the matcha latte is their best-selling product. It shows the business has a strong customer acceptance in the market. The business also uses milk products supplied by Farm Fresh to maintain the quality and consistency of their beverage. Overall, this introduction gives a basic overview of the business before we move on to the background of this business. For this slide, I will explain the background of the business. The Milk Coffee is a sole trading business managed by Mr. Kamarul Asfar and Ms. Noliana Akila. The business is registered under one owner only. The business location at Jalan Hill Park, Puncak Alam, Selangor. Its operation as a small beverage store that serves the surrounding community. The owner capital comes from personal capital, and all sale transactions are mainly conducted using QR payment. These transactions are recorded using Microsoft Excel. In terms of business activity, the Milk Coffee is including in the preparation and sale of beverage, including of coffee, matcha, boba milk and other drinks.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afizuddin bin Shafi. So I will present about the menu highlight, business characteristic and classification of business item. So let's see about the menu highlight. The Milk Coffee offer a variety of drink to cater to different customer preference. The menu include espresso based as well as non-coffee drinks such as matcha latte, chocolate drinks, tea-based drink, frappe and mocktail. This wide selection allows the business to attract both coffee and non-coffee drink consumer. One of main highlight is the signature matcha latte, which is the best-selling product and contributes significantly to overall sales. So let's see another slide, business characteristic. The Milk Coffee operates as a sole trading with unlimited liability and is owned by one registered owner. The business is owner managed and financed using personal capital. All sales transactions are recording using Microsoft Excel only, reflecting a simple and cost-effective accounting approach. The business is registered under the Companies Commission of Malaysia or SSM. As the business has single ownership, profit sharing is not applicable. So for another slide is classification of business item. The business item of the Milk Coffee are classified into asset, liability, owner equity, revenue and expenses. The main asset of the business is a coffee machine with an estimate value RM1000. The business has minimal liabilities, which mainly related to electrical supply from a generator. Owner's equity consists of the owner's capital and retained profit. Revenue is generated from the sale of coffee and non-coffee drinks. The main expenses include milk ingredient costing RM4000, matcha restock costing RM1600, and coffee bean costing RM1600. The business does not incur retail, wage, and utility expenses.
Today, I will briefly explain the Milk Coffee marketing and promotion strategies. First, the use of social media campaigns, especially short videos that showcase their drinks and cafe atmosphere. They also collaborate with local artists and influencers to increase brand awareness. In addition, they offer student discounts to attract younger customers. The Milk Coffee organizes events and promotions such as coffee tasting workshops and buy one get one campaign to attract new customers and encourage repeat visit. They also highlight their handcrafted coffee made from locally sourced bean and provide comfortable workspace with free Wi-Fi and charging ports. The made coffee also apply eco-friendly practice such as biodegradable cups and waste reduction. Finally, the Make Coffee hosts community events such as live acoustic night and art exhibitions to make cafe a hub for community. In conclusion, this strategy will help them to attract customer, build loyalty and strengthen their brand. Next, I will explain the business recording process. All sales transactions are recorded using Microsoft Excel. The records are based on QR payment receipts and other sales evidence to ensure accuracy. Sales data is entered manually into Excel. Currently, sales records are not prepared monthly. Instead, all transactions are compiled and summarized at year-end to produce annual sales records. In conclusion, the business used a simple manual recording system that rely on Excel and digital payment receipt to track sales performance.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Azrai bin Muhammad Fazil, one of the team members here. So now I'm going to discuss about the strengths of this recording process used by the Milk Coffee. Firstly, the accounting system is simple and easy to manage. This makes it suitable for the business owner to record the transactions without difficulty. Second, the recording process does not require advanced accounting knowledge. This allows the owner to manage the accounts independently without hiring professional accountants. In addition, the use of Microsoft Excel provides a cost-effective methods of recording financial transactions. It helps to reduce the operating costs while still maintaining basic financial record. Furthermore, QR payment records enhance the traceability of sales transactions. This improves accuracy and make it easier to track the daily sales. Lastly, the system is appropriate for small scale business as it matches the size and nature of the business operations. So that's it. That is the strengths of this recording process. We move to the next topic then. Thank you. Next, I will explain the weakness of the recording process used in this business. Firstly, the monthly accounting records are not prepared. This means the owner does not regularly review their financial informations, which can make it difficult to track incomes and expenses accurately. Secondly, the financial performance of the business is not monitored on a regular basis. Without a regular monitoring, it is harder to identify problems such as declining profits or increasing costs. In addition, the business uses basic record keeping, which may increase the risk of error. Manual or simple records can lead to mistakes, missing transactions, or incorrect calculations. Furthermore, documentation for transaction is limited. This can cause difficulties when verifying expenses or preparing financial reports. And lastly, the financial statements are not prepared frequently. As a result, the owner may not have a clear picture of the business overall financial positions and performance. Thank you. In conclusions, this assignment provides and insights into the accounting practice of Milk Coffee. The business applies a basic accounting recording process that is suitable for a small scale of operation. This approach helps the owner manage daily transactions in a simple way. However, there is still room for improvement by implementing regular record keeping or preparing more detailed financial report. the business can improve the reliability and usefulness of its accounting information. Overall, better accounting practice would support better decisions making and contribute to the long-term sustainability of business.